Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a nice, quick, simple stew that'll have you filling up your belly for these nice cold fall, I guess, and winter days. It's a nice chicken stew. Not too bad for you, real easy to make, and tastes fantastic. So let's get to it. All right, you're going to first want to start off by melting some butter into your pot. I'm doing about 4 tablespoons because I'm making a bunch. 2 tablespoons should be fine. Go ahead and put in, I cut up 3 stalks of celery, and I cut up 3 carrots. If you're just doing enough for like 4 servings or whatever, maybe just do 2 of each, like 2 stalks and 2 carrots, or 1 stalk of celery. The carrots are just cut up into little coins, and the celery is cut up into little pieces. And you let that cook. Saute it up for about a good 5 minutes, I'd say, before heading on to the next step. All right, now that my celery and my carrots have been cooking up for about 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon of flour in there. Go ahead and mix that flour in real nice and neat. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and add about a tablespoon of, well, I'm using the pre-minced stuff, but about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic in there. Let that cook for about 30 seconds to get aromatic here. Mix that in with all the flour and stuff. Oh, it smells fantastic. And let it cook just a little bit longer. Because I give it about 30 seconds total for the garlic to cook up nice and mix with everything. Meanwhile, you can start getting your other stuff prepped ready. You're gonna need the potatoes, the broth, chicken, and a bay leaf next. So, wait a little bit longer. I'm not counting, I'm just kind of guesstimating 30 seconds because I wasn't paying attention. Whoops. All right. That's probably 30 seconds-ish, right? So then you're gonna go ahead and add the potatoes in. I'm using the small potatoes, I cut them in half. I'm not really counting, I'm just using maybe a couple cups full of potatoes here. Put bay leaf in there. Put the chicken in there. It's about 1.5 pounds of chicken is what I'm using. Mix it all up in there. Now make sure with that bay leaf, you make sure before anyone eats, you take it out of the, make sure no one eats the bay leaf is what I'm getting at. Take it out when you're done cooking. Then you're gonna put about 3 cups of broth in there. I'm putting more in just because I'm making it for more people. You go ahead while we're at it, add some salt to this and pepper. Taking forever. All right, so I have added about 46 ounces of chicken broth. You could add as much as you need to make your stew. Mix it all up, let that cook until the chicken is cooked all the way through and there's no pink. Roughly about 20 to 30 minutes. Then you'll remove the bay leaf and you are good to go. All right, and there you go. It's a nice, yummy, more like a soup, but chicken stew. You could also cook the big piece of chicken whole, and then after it cooks for so long, take it out and tear it apart with some forks and stuff so you have like shredded chicken. Either way works really good. Well, there you go. I told you, nice and easy. It doesn't take too long. The longest part is letting it cook up all at the end there. You finish it off with a little parsley on top, make it all pretty, and there you go. Very filling, nice and toasty warm in these cold days. If you like this, please put a comment down below. Let me know if you liked it or not. If there's anything you would add or subtract to it, also put that in the comments below for other people to get some ideas as well. Don't forget while you're down there, hit the little subscribe button and a little bell doohickey so I know whenever, or so you know when I post more videos, sorry. I try to post videos every week about food related stuff like recipes. So I guess I'll see you around.